Hi, my name is Carter.
And my name's Addie. What are we doing today, Carter?
We're building a rocket ship.
We're building a rocket ship. Yeah. Should we get started?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. Can you tell everyone what we have for our materials? What's this?
A tissue.
What's this?
What's that?
Baking soda?
Pencil. Right here.
This.
The bottle.
Bottle. Remember what this is?
What's that?
An F. Funnel.
Funnel.
Yeah. Cord.
Cord and 3 pictures, scissors, and tape.
And what's these? Paper, right?
The picture.
All right, so that's what we need to make our rocket. So first we have to make the rocket. So what's our first step, Carter? What are we cutting out?
But it's says a cut. So you're trying to right here.
Now what shape do we have to cut out? The rectangle, that's right. You did it! All right. So our leftover paper we can set to the side. And now what we're gonna do, Carter, is we're gonna roll up our rectangle to make it a cone shape for the top of our rocket. Now, since the cone isn't sitting flat, we have to trim the bottom. Is that better? All right. So now we are going to add the shapes to our rocket. But first we have to flip the bottle upside down. Can you set it upside down? It's going to be hard to kind of balance. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our triangles and we're going to tape them to the bottom of our rocket. All right. Can you find our 2 triangles? So that is our rocket. Yep, that's in the next step. First we got to make our stand because that's not going to balance very well, especially when there's stuff inside the bottle. So we're going to use our 3 pencils. Can you find our 3 pencils? Here. Let's use all the same ones. There you go. There's 4. Uh-oh. We'll use all the 3 same ones. So what we're gonna do is you need to take the bottle when it's upside down, point the lead part of the pencil downwards, and we're gonna tape them along the edges so that they help act as a stand, so then the rocket can stand up better. Next, we use our vinegar here. Okay. Do you know how much baking soda we have to use? We're going to use 2 tablespoons. Alright, now you're gonna scoop it with this and put 2 of them on our tissue, okay? I'm gonna fold it in a nice little pouch. We are going to put some vinegar in our bottle. So yeah, you can open our bottle up. So now we're gonna take our funnel and put it in the top. Nice job. All right, would you like me to hold the funnel and you pour the vinegar, or would you like to hold the bottle and I'll pour the vinegar? You'll hold the bottle and I'll get the vinegar? Okay. Now you can take the funnel out of the bottle. There you go. And we're gonna put the cap back on. Yeah, we're gonna use that when it's time to blast off. Make sure it's nice and tight on there. Alright, now that that's all ready, the next step is to launch it. Alright, Carter, what are we doing now?
The launch.
Launching?
Yeah.
Alright, so what do you think we're gonna have to put in our rocket to make it launch? The baking soda?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what makes it launch. So we're gonna put the baking soda in the bottle, shake it up, and set it up and run.